The amount of calories consumed by customers at the Chinese buffet is normally distributed with a mean of 2,705 calories and a standard deviation of 647. A randomly selected customer is observed to see how many calories X that customer consumes. So this is a normal distribution, and the mean is 2,705, and the standard deviation is 647. And I'm going to use the online normal probability calculator to solve the rest of the problem. And you can find that calculator just by Googling LibreText normal probability calculator, or I'll also put a link to the calculator in this problem. So for part B, find the probability that the customer consumed less than 2,395 calories. So if this is 2,395, we want the area under the curve to the left of that. So we go over here to our calculator and we have to enter the mean and the standard deviation, and then we click on the less than button because we want the area to the left, and we enter 2,395 and we hit calculate. And when we do that to 4 decimals, we get 0.3159. So the probability is 0.3159. What proportion of the customers consume over 2,851 calories? So the proportion of customers that consume that many calories is going to be found on our graph here by computing the area to the right of 2,851. So again, we go over to our calculator and we clear out the old entries. We click greater than, and we put in 2,851. Calculate, and we get 0.4107. 0.4107. All right, and finally, the Piggy Award will be given out to the 2% of customers who consume the most calories. What is the fewest number of calories that a person must consume to receive the Piggy Award? So if this is the number of calories you need to receive the Piggy Award, which isn't such a great thing to receive, then we want the area in this tail to be 0.02. That's 2%. So we go over to our normal probability calculator, and this time under the probability, we put 0.02 and we make sure that greater than is clicked because we want the area to the right of Z, and we click calculate, and we get to the nearest calorie, which is what they want, 4,034 calories. I hope this was helpful.